Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Text Wrap lesson. Open the bottle wrap part, change to a front view, and add a new sketch in the front plane. Draw two construction lines. And dimension as indicated. From the Sketch tab, select the Text tool. Select the horizontal line and type shampoo in the text field. Set the text options. Change the font, the style, and height. Click OK and exit the sketch. From the Features tab, select the Wrap command. Select the sketch, set the wrap type to Emboss, wrap method to Spline, and select the bottle's face. Set the extrusion's depth and click OK to finish. Review the embossed text, save the part and close the file.